Truth be told, I love polish, and there's nothing like working with one of your favorite brands, which for me is Holo Taco. I just got this in the mail, but I'm gonna do something special. I'm gonna combine it with this. Let's get started. My fellow Canadian has done it again. I just got this one a few weeks ago, or actually maybe almost a couple months ago. But let's just check out this one here. These are the 5 colors. They're cruelty-free. Just pop them all out. And vegan. What I love about them is they go on so good with just one coat. I always like to do 2 coats, but one coat definitely gives you that full coverage. But I like a second coat because it's the true color of what you see in the bottle. It's much more deep. What I also love about this polish, it dries so quickly. So let's get it on. We'll check out every single color. Now, polish has come a long way. Polishes can be fabulous in so many brands, but if they don't get the brush right, then it can be very frustrating. So another thing I like, the combination of a good brush and good quality polish. I prepared my hand with some long Coffin tips, but I wanted to show you how cute they look on the short hand. I did it on my opposite hand, and the nails virtually natural. I don't have much product on there, but I just want to show you how cute it is, and the blue color. But I thought I would do them in the long version as well to see what they look like. So I'm going to start with the black. This one's called Great. And it has a very deep gray tone with a tiny bit of a shimmer. Now, because it has a bit of a shimmer, I find products, nail polish with shimmers, tend to be a little bit more see-through. Polishes that are creams, they tend to cover more in a one coat situation. So that will definitely need to, although that is really pretty. I really, really like that. You know, I wasn't too sure about this green and brown, to be honest with you. Brown is not a very common color in nail polish or in the acrylics or even in gel. It's just not really that common. So I wasn't sure when I first saw it, but it is beautiful. Reminds me of milk chocolate. And again, I gotta tell you, it goes on just so liquidy smooth. Oops, just gonna grab my cuticle stick. That's what I do, just keep a cuticle stick on hand. Look at that, it's very pretty. Okay, and so I wasn't sure about the green either, but it's a very forest green, and you never can tell until you put it on. To be honest with you, that's why I put my long Coffin tips on, my quick tips, because I wanted a lot of nail estate. Because when you're polishing and swatching colors, it's really great to see that color. Look at that coverage. See what I mean about creams? They cover better. See, that pinky's still a little bit see-through, but it's like metallic. It's almost like a metal. That's really pretty. Okay, purple. Purple isn't that common in acrylic colors either. I think it's starting to become more so, but or even in nail polish as much. Look at that. I gotta tell you, it's just so creamy. Beautiful coverage. And what I like about it is that you do have a little bit of playtime, because when you're putting on polish, you really do need to take the time to make sure it goes on smooth and you get it everywhere, right? Like with gel, you have lots of time. It doesn't cure until you put it under the light. But this stuff still dries fast. But you still have time to, play with it and get it on there. Okay, and I really must say, I love the brush. Love the brush shape. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's just, it came to me, and I love polish, and I just wanted to share it with you. Okay, now let's get that blue on the thumb. These are the colors I gravitate more to, is this like cool blue. So I knew that I would love this one. And I do. That is gorgeous. Look at that. I love that one. Okay, well, let's give it all a good second coat now. And when you're working with polishes like this, it dries pretty quick. You can put the coat on. I usually start with the pinky to thumb, thumb to pinky on all the hands, and then I go right to the pinky again, pinky to thumb, thumb to pinky, and do it back to back. Honestly, I love that. I thought that might be my least favorite, but I actually love that. You must love that, Cameraman.
Oh, it's great, yeah.
It's a beautiful color.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I could think of it with some black gems and stuff. Nice. Okay, let's just give them all a double coat, and I'll just mention the names as we go. This is Magical Mustache. This is Monstera. Oh, something we forgot to do. Really, really important. You didn't even remember.
Oh, that's too nice a box to do that.
I almost thought I did think of that. But it's kind of an initiation. Look at that coverage. Look, I just love that. This is I'm Alive. Okay, we'll do a second coat on this. Love that. Okay, I got a little too close to the cuticle. That's the side I really can't see. Look at that. I still have a little bit too much in there. I think I got it. Look at that. Okay. I did paint these on a tip for you so you could see them all, but look at them. From the Holo Taco collection called Light Mode. I wanted to mention I applied this nail polish to fake nails. When you apply to fake nails, it sticks and stays for a long time. You don't really have to do any base coat or anything like that. But if you're applying it to natural nails, Christine has a whole great selection of base coats, peely base as well. I do suggest you do use those if you want a long wear for your natural nails. But what I want to do now is, I know that this was a collab, but I'm going to collab her Holo Taco, the last one before this one, on this set too, because these colors are beautiful. I absolutely love them, and I think they'll combine nicely with the Julien collection. So let's pull them all out. When you can do this with gel and you've got lots of time to do it because it doesn't dry. But with nail polish, you got to hurry a little bit more. So you want to get a flat brush. I've got a nice gel brush here that'll work quite well. Now, you've only kind of got one shot at this simply because it's nail polish and you can't wipe it off. Otherwise, you'll destroy the layer underneath. However, if you think you might make a boo-boo, or, you know, it's easy to do, you might want to put a gel top coat. You could put a gel, but you got to make sure it's dry. You could cheat. Put a gel top coat on, cure it, and now you've got a hard surface that you can make different colors and errors and try it out if you want. But I'm just going to go for it and hope the best. Okay, so I'm going to put a line of green. Oh, I should tell you the colors. I'll put the colors up here so you know what they are. Oops, I should have put blue there. Okay. And then I'm going to gather. And I'm going to slide it. I want some more blue in there. A little more blue, so I think I'm just going to see if I can streak some blue in there. I like the other one I did better. Look, I think it looks better. I should have followed my own tip.
What's that?
Putting the gel coat on it. I don't think I like the placement so much on that one, but we're going to move on and do the brown. Okay, so I'm going to put purple, try to make it as thin as I can because I don't want it too thick. And orange and a little bit of green. Maybe the green on this side. Maybe a little bit of purple on there. I should have cleaned off the brush. I'm going to scoop that up and sort of drape it down. I'm going to leave those strong colors there. Oh, colors are so pretty. Let's get a little purple in there. Cool. Obviously the color combinations are endless. I absolutely love this shimmery collection. It's called Shift into Light Mode. Okay, now I'm going to top coat them and we'll check out the reveal shots for them. Look at these beautiful colors in this Julien collection. Just adding a little design from the Holo Toggle Light Mode gives it a little glimmer. I'm sure I've said it, but I love polish. Now, I actually had a chance to meet Christine. It was remote, but it was fun. It was about a year ago. But if you want to catch that video, we talk about how long polish lasts. Quality is so important. Check it out.